And they all ate and were satisfied. And they took up 12 baskets full of broken pieces left over. I got stuck here this week. I just couldn't get over this part of the passage this week when God brought this to mind. He provided for His closest disciples. He provided for the congregation that wanted to hear Him. He provided for the crowds that just happened to be caught up in the moment. And there was still enough to fill 12 baskets. Tell me God doesn't provide. Look at your life, at all the good things that God has poured into your life through Christ alone, and tell me God doesn't provide. Jesus did enough for them, so much for them, that there was plenty for others. Oh, brother or sister, young and old, hear me. You will never run out of God's provision for you in Christ. So give it away. There are baskets full for us to give away to people. He has given you so much forgiveness that you can give it away. He's given you so much love that you can give that away. He's given you joy and kindness and peace, and there are baskets full remaining. You can give that away. Give it away. You won't run out. Give away the good news of the gospel. It came to you on the way to somebody else anyway. Give it away. God has provided everything that we need. You can be satisfied in Christ.